Today I'm going to review the microphone arm stand by TONOR. Here's the design. The contact area is 38 centimeters. Here I'm just screwing in the clamp. I'm installing the top part. It has a 360 rotation, as you can see. I'm adjusting it to my preference. And it's easy to adjust and sturdy. It comes with 5/8 adapter. And so I'm installing the adapter on my Yeti so I can connect it to the mount. Here I'm connecting it. Make sure you screw it in tight so it doesn't fall or wiggle out of place. And then when you're done, adjust it to your preference. Make sure that the angle is where the audio best represents itself. Includes foam cover and pop filter. Here I'm installing the pop filter, and then I'll install the foam cover. Now the pop filter does take some adjustment and you have to get it just right, but make sure to make that it's tight so it won't fall off. And then just put the pop filter in front of the microphone. Like so. Here I'm going to add the foam cover. It just takes a few seconds to add it. One thing I like about this microphone arm stand is that it does come with the pop filter and foam cover. I already had previous pop filter, but this one seems to work better. And so I'm just adjusting it to my preference and also to my room. It also includes 4 cable ties. This is very helpful so it doesn't look like it's all messy. And so the cables don't get cut moving the microphone around and the arm stand. And so I'm just doing all 4 from top to bottom. And it takes probably like 20-30 seconds to do. Make sure you put it where it could cut the cable. So overall, this is the best sturdy microphone arm stand that I've used. I bought 3 other ones. They were that great quality, and it can stand holding the Yeti. This one holds it easy, and it's great. So the packet includes a boom arm, desk clamp, mic clip, adapter, pop filter, foam cover, cable ties, and manual.